Welcome back. Today we're going to do a flow, different techniques, called Tai Chi breathing. First thing we're going to do is shift our weight and open the door and follow me like I am your reflection in the mirror. The hands float up and then down, lifting water. Inhale up, exhale down. The first time through this flow, you may want to have your eyes open. The next time you practice it, or thereafter, you might want to close your eyes and go deeper and deeper into this moving meditation. Lifting water. Inhale up. Exhale down, breathing in, breathing out, floating up, sinking down. Let the arms float up, chest or shoulder level, palms to the front, fingertips to the sky, and hold a ball in front of you, or you might think you're hugging a tree. Let the shoulders relax, soften the knees, sink the hips, relax into your structure, and let the hands move apart as you open up the chest and inhale. Let the hands float back together in front like you're hugging the tree, and exhale. Breathing in as you open up the chest, breathing out as you close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Close, come back to holding the ball, hugging the tree. Relax. Rotate the ball so that the left hand's on top, right hand's on the bottom. Sink the ball, belly level. The top hand keeps on going and compresses the ball as you exhale. And then it lifts up to chest level, expanding the ball and inhaling. Compress and exhale. Inhale and float. Exhale and sink. Breathing in, breathing out. Let the ball expand and rotate the ball. Right hand on top, left hand on the bottom. Compress, exhale, sink. float, expand. Now expand and circle, rotating the ball to the other side. Left hand on top, compress. Exhale. Inhale and expand and circle and rotate to the other side. Keep on going. Rotating the ball. Compressing, exhaling. Breathing in, expanding the ball. Circling the ball. Exhale. Breathing in, the hands are rotating, one up, one down. Complementary opposites. Yin yang. Keep going. Expanding. Circling. Compressing. Expanding. Circling. Compressing. Let the hands float up, hugging the tree, and palms to the front, and let the hands float down by the sides. We can gather and cross in front of us, cross at the wrist, separate the hands, let them sink, shift our weight, and close the door. Circle up, gathering chi from heaven. Inhale, exhale, roll to Dantian. Breathing in, breathing out. Body may drift. As you relax, relieve yourself of tension and let everything settle. Thank you for joining me.